Hello ladies, it's time to teach you how to create this funky updo. Section the hair off. Tie the lower part tightly with a hair elastic. Start teasing the hair on top, section by section. Push the hair toward the scalp to create a cushion that will help your hair to stay firmly in place. It might look weird now, but it will disappear in minutes. Use your fingers to brush the hair to the back. Start with 2 hair sections and crisscross those over each other. Take sections from both sides of your head and repeat this. When you reach the top of your head, start to braid the rest of the hair into a braid. Add the braid to your ponytail. Start to pull the braid apart. Finish off with some hairspray and you're ready to rock this look. Have fun!